Menopause Self-test. The kit includes test sticks and instructions for use. Not included but required is a timer. If you are still having monthly periods, take the test during the first week of your cycle. Day 3 is ideal, but it can be performed between days 2 and 7. If you are no longer having regular periods, take the test at any time during the month and repeat with the second test 1 week later. Reduce your liquid intake for 2 hours before taking the test to avoid unreliable results. First, wash your hands with soap and water. Remove the cap from the test stick and with the absorbent tip pointing downward, place it directly in your urine stream until it is saturated. Take care to avoid any urine touching the test window. Replace the cap onto the test stick and place the test on a clean, even surface with the results window facing upward. Start the timer and read the result after 3 minutes. Do not read the result after 10 minutes. If results are negative but symptoms persist or you yield a positive result, then we advise you to consult your GP.